All two books on the origin of Igbo have been launched by an Anglican priest, Reverend Canon Charles Ekweozor. The book centers on the origin of Igbo using biblical narrative. Correspondent Kenneth Chukwudi has more.
To the glory of God and to the advancement of Igbo. To God be the glory.
The books, titled The Origin of Igbo, Exploring New Perspectives in Tracing the Black Jews of Africa and Replacing Faulty Ideologies, a redefinition of the concept of Omenani using biblical and theological principles, have been launched in Awka. The books explored and linked the worldview of the origins of Igbo through biblical narrative. Reverend Canon Ekweozor of the Diocese of Panshin told the ABS that his early life exposure to books relating to Igbo history, especially after the Nigerian Biafra Civil War, prompted him to go deep into research using new approaches to tell the origin of Igbo.
I have, since a child, I've been reading about the Igbo people, more especially after the Civil War. And that actually made me to begin to think who I am as a person. And that actually moved me up. I didn't get to know what I'm doing now until I went into to do works on theology, which is the basis of life. In that process, I decided to ask myself, who am I? Igbo. And I started reading legendary books written by scholars.
In every part of Nigeria, you see an Igbo man. Not just in the building houses, investing in the people and the environment. So, when we talk about Igbo man, he is a true African, a true Nigerian, a true citizen of the world. We only need the encouragement from our friends across the country, and just as we are appreciated all over the world. So we want to thank you for your contributions, especially those who are mentoring our brother. Thank you for your interest.
When it comes to our culture, church, Christian church, divested culture, made us believe that our practices, I can just explain the principles, were more prayerful, and the idea of Kola on our second burial and predated the arrival of Christianity in our country and predated the arrival of humanity. So when we get it, it is parallel to Christianity when we get it from the same way Christianity came from.
The chief launcher of the books, Chief Nathan Obatwe, represented by his brother Ifeanyi Obatwe, noted that every Igbo man should be proud of their race, and knowing their origin and root is important in appreciating their story better, of which the books are of immense benefits, and commended the author for his academic rich research. Similarly, the traditional ruler of Umuawolo, Igwe Egwuonwu, and the chairman, governing board, Anambra State Waste Management Authority, Dr. Ima Ezenwaji, thanked God for the accomplishment of the book through the author and noted that they will contribute to the knowledge of Igbo history, recommending the book to those who are interested in the Igbo history and origin. In Awka, it's been Kenneth Chukwudi for ABS News.